Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Radhika and I post a lot about food, let's just say that. So here on my channel, you'll see me doing food challenges, food reviews, mukbangs and yeah, everything related to food like I said. So for today's video, I have decided to do another one of those 24-hour challenges. I don't know why I did this, sorry. So we're going to eat Burger King for 24 hours. I haven't had Burger King in a really long time. Like when I was living in Gurgaon, I used to order it every now and then. But jab se I moved to Dehradun, I don't think so. No, I ate it once. I ordered their taco, which was volcano something. And uska review मेरे channel पे है. But anyway, पॉइंट बीन कि जब से आई मूव टू देहरादून मैंने बर्गर किंग से ऑर्डर करना काफ़ी कम कर दिया. इनफैक्ट मैंने एक ही बार करा है. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड अबाउट टुडे बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू ईट बर्गर्स या फॉर द एंटायर डे. वेल दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. आई नॉट जस्ट ईट बर्गर्स, मैं सब कुछ ट्राई करना चाहूँगी उनके मेन्यू का, मतलब जितना भी मैं खा सकती हूँ. एंड या लेट्स बिगिन विद द चैलेंज. सो ऑफकोर्स if you are new here and you don't know how these challenges work, let me quickly explain it to you. वैसे इतना कुछ explain करने वाला है नहीं, but still. So for breakfast, lunch, you know, snack and dinner, I'm going to eat only from Burger King. I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हाथों का इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. Anyway, so for breakfast, I'll show you what I've ordered. And yeah, let's begin. Okay, so for breakfast, I've ordered a crispy chicken and shake. So this is the chocolate shake. Okay, let's open it up. I thought it tumbler भी provide करते हैं. Okay, so the best part कि it's secured, कुछ गिरा नहीं. So yeah, kudos. So I'm obviously going to start with the shake. It looks good. Let's see how thick it is. It's so creamy, a little too sweet for me, but overall it's yum. Okay, next I'm going to eat the crispy chicken. This just has a patty in it, onions and I think tandoori mayo. I like it. It's very basic, but for 80 rupees, it's definitely worth it. A little dry. Hiccups, so yeah, you can tell it's dry. But for 80 rupees, it's definitely worth it. So I will finish this bad boy up and see you all at lunch. Bye. Hello, I'm back. मेरा lunch करने में काफ़ी late हो गई because A, मैं कुछ और काम में busy हो गई and B, मेरा order इतना late आया, 30 minutes की delivery दिखा रहा था and it came almost after I think 50-55 minutes. तो या थोड़ा BT हो गया and इस वजह से मेरे fries बिल्कुल ठंडे हो चुके हैं. So I ordered Italian fries और मैं उनको गर्म करने के भी बिल्कुल मूड में नहीं हूँ. Nice, right? Anyway, काफ़ी soggy हो गया है. ये literally undercooked है. Oh no, not all of them, but हाँ. ये वाला भी undercooked है. What the fuck? And by the way, as you can see, इसमें उन्होंने सिर्फ mayo और normal mayo और तंदूरी mayo डाल के दे दिया है, and they've called it Italian fries. खुद सही. Not worth it, you guys. Oh my god, ये कितने ज़्यादा ठंडे हैं. By the way, मैंने hash browns भी order करे हैं and I've never had hash browns before. I watch a lot of course, food challenges sorry, I watch a lot of food channels on your what do you call it, YouTube. और मैं देखती थी कि hash browns usually मैकडॉनल्ड्स में अवेलेबल होते हैं. आई एम नॉट श्योर यहाँ पे मैकडॉनल्ड्स में मिलते हैं नहीं, बट आई फाउंड देम ऑन बर्गर किंग टुडे एंड या लेट्स रिव्यू. They taste exactly like your potato bites from McCain. Exactly copy, ditto copy है. Yeah. What the fuck? कौन किसकी कॉपी कर रहा है? I am a little disappointed. Fries अच्छे नहीं हैं. ये बिल्कुल McCain की कॉपी है. Anyway, खाना तो पड़ेगा क्योंकि ऑर्डर करा है और भूख लग रही है. So, बाय, मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. I know, I look very sleepy. That's because I dozed off post lunch. Oh my god, that was a heavy meal. Anyway, for snack, I've got this. These are crispy fried chicken. And I've just ordered 2 pieces because I don't think so much ज़्यादा खा सकती हूँ. Ooh. Okay. But they're perfect. They taste exactly like your KFC chicken, but I'll say even better. I mean, they're seasoned well, they're crunchy, good amount of chicken. The outer layer is very thin but crispy. Yum. These just made up for the shitty lunch that I had. Oh my god, so good. Okay guys, मैं खत्म करती हूँ and डिनर में मिलते हैं. By the way, quick question for you all. क्या फ्राइड चिकन के साथ चाय पी सकते हैं? Am I weird or is this something you do as well? Let me know in the comment section. Hey guys, so guess who forgot to eat dinner? Even though I ordered it at 7, it's 12 right now और मैंने अभी तक कुछ नहीं खाया. I was trying to figure some shit out. So anyway, अब मुझे काफ़ी भूख लग रही है and for dinner I ordered this. This is cheese meltdown burger and I think it's new on the menu. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. Nice packaging, right? I had to reheat everything. Ooh. Yum. Okay, I like it, but I don't think so. ये जो मैंने सुबह खाया था उससे बहुत different है. Instead of onions, इन्होंने इसमें pickle add कर दिया. I think that's the only difference. Since it says cheese meltdown, where is the cheese? Is it supposed to be inside the patty? Okay, anyway, first bite. Okay, I can definitely taste a little bit of cheese, but I'm not sure whether it's inside the patty or not. There's no cheese inside the patty. How is this called cheese meltdown? This is delicious, but let me tell you, इसमें कोई चीज़ नहीं है. I love the pickles. I love everything about it, but A, there's no cheese. Oh, that kick from the pickles, I love it. And B, what's B? It does not taste that different from what I had in the morning. And that one was for 80 rupees and this is for like 200. So yeah. The other thing that I ordered is an egg wrap. Ooh. Okay, so I can of course see eggs and onion and that tandoori mayo. ये और कुछ नहीं डालते क्या? हर चीज में तंदूरी mayo. Okay, first bite. Okay, this is nice. I take it back. This is good. It's so light, it's so tasty. Okay, now I'm gonna enjoy my food in peace without, you know, the recording part. I'm gonna watch some show, probably Suits. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Try to share it with your friends, family, kisi ke bhi saath. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Bye.